Adjective, it modifies or describes the noun or pronoun. Descriptive adjective is nothing but the adjective of quality. Okay, it tells the quality of the noun. We use possessive adjectives to express who owns or possesses something. This is used in front of a noun. In your examination, you have to identify the adjective in the sentence. Hello everyone, this is Shobita S. Aradhya, Lecturer, Department of English, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. A warm welcome to you all. Dear students, today we will be discussing adjectives. So, after watching this video, you will be able to identify the adjectives in the sentence. Okay, so let us start the session for adjectives. In this module, first we will learn what are adjectives and what are the types of adjectives, so that you will know to identify the adjectives and then tell to which type it belongs to. Okay. So, if it is a question, what are adjectives? Adjective is a part of speech. Okay. We say part of speech, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, correct? It goes on. So, in parts of speech, this is one. Okay. And this adjective, it modifies. What it does? It modifies or it describes the noun. Okay. It tells more about the noun. Okay. Pronoun is nothing but used instead of noun, right? So, adjective, it modifies or describes the noun or pronoun. So, if it is a boy, he is a tall boy. Okay. Tall is describing how the boy is, correct? So, tall is adjective. So, to understand better, something or any word which describes the noun is adjective. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. So, we will know more about the noun. I said he is a boy. So, we will know just that he is a boy. If I say he is a tall boy, it specifies and we will know more about the boy, that he is tall, correct? He is an intelligent boy. So, intelligent tells that how the boy is, correct? It describes or modifies a noun. See the example here, the big dog was hungry. Which is the noun in this sentence? Dog is the noun, correct? So, it is name of an animal. So, this is the noun. Which word modifies or describes the dog here? The word which describes or modifies the dog is big. How the dog is? Big. So, the word which modifies or describes the noun is known as adjective. Okay. So, hope you have understood what is an adjective. Next, we will see the types of adjectives. So, these are the list of types of adjectives. Descriptive adjective is nothing but the adjective of quality. Okay, it tells the quality of the noun. So, descriptive adjective is also called as the adjective of quality. Next is numeral adjective. Numeral adjectives means it tells the number, 2 boys, 2 apples, correct? So, it is telling the number there, that is called as numeral adjective. Then quantitative adjective, it tells the quantity, some, more, little, whatever we say, that comes under quantitative adjective. Then is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means it demonstrates, like the words these, that, those and such, all these are the demonstrative adjectives. Then interrogative adjective. All the WH words come under interrogative adjectives, like who, where, when, what, whom, all those come under interrogative adjective. Then possessive adjective, like mine, his, our, which show the possession, are known as possessive adjectives. Then proper adjective. Proper adjective means the people who speak Chinese language. Here Chinese is the proper adjective. Okay. So, it tells to which noun it belongs. Okay. Then is exclamatory adjective. Some of the terms ah, oh are called as the exclamatory words, right? So, they are called as the exclamatory adjectives. So these are the types of adjectives which I am going to discuss today in this video. Now we'll go one by one and we'll see what these adjectives are. Let us start with the descriptive adjectives. Adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives show the kind of quality or a person or thing. So it tells that what quality is the person or the thing. Like the words beautiful. The girl is beautiful. How the girl is beautiful, correct? So it tells the quality of the girl. Then large. The large vehicle. How is the vehicle? Vehicle is noun. How is the vehicle? It is large. It shows the quality. Then small. Okay. He is a small boy. Here it is telling about the boy. Then careful. Okay. So all these are the descriptive adjectives, or it is also called as the adjective of quality. Okay. Next we will see numeral adjective. As I said, numeral adjective, it tells the numbers or maybe the quantity as a whole. Adjectives of number or numeral adjectives show how many persons or things are meant. Okay. It tells the number to us. Then this adjective represents numeral value. See here, this should represent the numeral value, only then it is called as numeral adjective. Like 8. Okay. 8 is a number. Any number can be the numeral adjective. Few, second, some, all these, they tell us the number. Okay. So how many are there? That is told by these words. So these words are called as the numeral adjectives. Next, the quantitative adjective means it tells the quantity, how much it is, correct? Adjectives of quantity show how much quantity of a thing is meant. Okay. How much of the quantity is meant here, that is shown in the sentence using these words. Okay. Some of the examples are some. There are some students in the class. Okay. Quantity of students in the class. Then little. Okay. Give me a little piece of cake. Okay. Here it is the quantity we tell. Whole. I want the whole watermelon. So here it tells that the full or the quantity is told here. 1/4. Okay. Give me 1/4 of the part from yours. Correct. All these places it tells the quantity, what is expected or what is meant. Okay. So it tells the quantity, so it is called as quantitative adjective. Then demonstrative adjectives. Okay. Demonstrative means it demonstrates, it tells something about the thing. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or things is meant. Okay. That will tell us who is meant there, which person. If there are many people, we show this person, right? Those words are called as demonstrative adjectives. Examples: this is my book. Okay. That is the boy. Correct. These, those, such, all these are examples for demonstrative adjectives. Next we will see the adjectives like interrogative adjectives. Interrogative means asking question, right? So to ask question we use WH words in English. Which are the WH words? What, where, when, who, whom, why, whose, and how. All these are called as WH question words. Okay. These are called as the WH question words. Okay. So when we use these in the sentences which modifies the noun, then these words are called as interrogative adjectives. See, what, which, and whose. Okay. These kind of words, when they are used with nouns to ask questions, are called interrogative adjectives. Who is this boy? Here who becomes adjective. Okay. So the one who is wearing red shirt. Okay, here who becomes adjective. Okay, so this is how the interrogative adjectives are identified in the sentence. Next, possessive adjectives. This shows the possession where we say to whom it belongs. Okay, we use possessive adjectives to express who owns or possesses something. This is used in front of a noun. Okay, so to whom it belongs. Okay, that is said using these words. Example, own. This is my own. I own this. Okay, my book. Okay, this shows the possession that it belongs to that person. Correct. And our. This is our class. Okay, so noun is modified using the possessive words. At that time, those words are called as possessive adjectives. Okay. Next, we will see proper adjectives. Adjectives formed from proper nouns are called as proper adjectives. To understand this better, we should know what are proper nouns. Proper nouns are the specific name of a person, place or thing. Correct? Like if we call Reena, Ramesh, MYSURU, all these are proper nouns, correct? This tells very particularly that this is the person or this is the place, correct? So these are called as proper nouns. So what are proper adjectives? Adjectives formed from proper nouns are called the proper adjectives. See the example here, British. Okay, Britain is the language which belongs to Britain is British. Correct? The people who belong to China are Chinese. Correct? We also called Mysorean, Bangalorean. Correct? This is known as the proper adjective. Next, exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory means the word what is sometimes used as an exclamatory. Okay, we use a suddenly to show the sudden expression. We use some words. Those are called as exclamatory words. Here, what a genius. Here, genius becomes the exclamatory adjective because this is the sudden expression. Okay, so these are the types of adjectives which you have to know, and that will be asked for your examination. In your examination, you have to identify the adjective in the sentence. So let us solve some examples here. Here are some examples. Now we'll identify the adjective in these sentences. There is a cold wind blowing. Okay, so first you have to identify which is the noun. Here in this sentence, wind is noun. Okay, if wind is noun, what is the word or which is the word which is describing wind now? It is cold. Correct? So how is the wind? It is cold. So the word which describes or modifies noun is adjective. So in this sentence, cold is the adjective. Okay. Next, the climber did not eat any meals. Okay, which is the noun here? Here we will find two nouns. Climber is also noun. Meals is also noun. Correct? Is there any adjective before the noun climber? No. So we will see for the other noun here. Meals is also noun. Here the any, not eaten, any means nothing. Correct? It is modifying the meals. It is describing the meals. Did he have meals? No, he did not have any meals. Correct? So the word which modifies the noun is called as the adjective. Next sentence, dark clouds hovered in the city. Which is the noun here? In this sentence also we have two nouns. One is clouds and the other one is city. Okay, now let us find out, is there any adjective which is modifying the noun? Here for city there is no adjective to modify it, correct? So for clouds we have the adjective. There is a word which is modifying the noun here, correct? So which is that? That is dark. How are the clouds? The clouds are dark, correct? Next sentence, he made several mistakes in the test. Okay, he made several mistakes. Okay, mistakes is considered as noun here. This is not verb, noun here. So how many he made several, correct? So, several is adjective. Then, I have a few friends. Which is the noun here? Friends is the noun, correct? So, how many friends I have? I have few. So, this tells the numeral. So, this is the adjective. Next, 3 boys are walking down the lane. So, to identify the noun, it's easy. Boys is the noun here. And how many boys? 3 boys. So, the word which is modifying or describing the noun is 3 here. So, 3 is adjective. Next, Ronaldo scored the 3rd goal of the match. Here, first identify the nouns. We have Ronaldo as noun and the other noun is goal. Okay. So, which is describing goal now? 3rd. It is telling the number, correct? So, this is numeral adjective. Next, the talkative got into a long argument. Okay. Who got into argument? It is a talkative person. Okay. So, talkative is adjective. Next, I have enough rations to last 2 months. Okay. So, here rations is noun. So, which is modifying? Enough is modifying that noun. So, enough is adjective. The Chinese language is not easy to learn. So, here is proper adjective. Language is the noun and it is modified by the word Chinese. So, Chinese is the proper adjective. Last sentence, every word in this article is meaningful. Okay. So, every word in this article. See, article is noun, word is noun. Okay. So, every is an adjective and meaningful can also be considered as the adjective. So, these are the adjectives which we have identified in these sentences. Okay. After solving this exercise, after identifying these adjectives, I hope you have understood the adjectives very well and I guess you can do it in your examination. With this information today, I am bidding you bye. Thank you. See you.